Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Giants. Today I'll show you how to write a good narration for YouTube videos. So let's get started. Open your browsing app. In here type in chat.openai. So if you already have an account, you will see something like this, and if you don't, then you have to create an account. Here type in what you want to ask. For example, how to write a good YouTube narration. And here you will get your answers. So for me, it has given 6 steps that I should follow for a good narration of my YouTube video. So you can also regenerate your responses and you will get another one. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Hope this video was helpful. We will see you guys soon in our next video. Thank you for watching.